Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a speed clean of my bedroom. This is pretty much the mess that happens in the morning. We just tend to get up, get ready for work, get ready for the school run, just get everything going, and beds don't get made, clothes get thrown on the floor, things just don't get tidied away as we go. I'd love to be able to say that I'm someone who's got a beautifully tidy bedroom and it's just literally a case of like putting a couple of bits away and then it's sparkling, but unfortunately it just ends up a complete tip every morning. So pretty much every day I have to give it a thorough clean and tidy. So without further ado, let's get on with the speed clean.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
So that is how I clean my bedroom in the morning. It's just a quick tidy up, quick wipe down of everything, just after that mad rush of the school run and everything. Just get the wet towels from our showers in the laundry bin, pick up any pyjamas or anything that needs to go in there as well, pick up any bits and bobs that have just been left out from the morning. Hope you've enjoyed my video. I will be doing plenty of other types of things on my channel, from more speed cleans to shopping hauls to days in the life. And it would be wonderful to have you stick around for those. So please remember to subscribe and please give my video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Bye guys!